Hello, thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast at exactly 10:30 p.m. live from the headquarters in Asmara with me, Salim Brahane. First, the top stars. Ambassador Isa Ahmed Isa presents credentials. Congress of Eritrean Community in Qatar. At least 153 killed in Halloween crowd crush in South Korea. Russia halts participation in Ukraine grain agreement. Ambassador Isa Ahmed Isa, Eritrea's ambassador to the Republic of Sudan, represented credentials to Mr. Mohammed Yunus al-Manfi, President of the Libyan Presidential Council, on 29 October as Eritrea's non-resident ambassador to that country. At the event held at the National Palace in Tripoli, Ambassador Isa conveyed a message of goodwill from President Isaias Afwerki to President Mohammed Yunus al-Manfi, expressed readiness to work in cooperation with concerned institutions of Libya to strengthen bilateral relations and cooperation between Eritrea and Libya. President Mohammed Yunus al-Manfi, on his part, expressed his country's readiness to work towards strengthening relations with Eritrea, and especially in the diplomatic and economic sectors, as well as on regional issues of interest to the two countries. President Mohammed Yunus al-Manfi also wished good health to President Isaias Afwerki and peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people, as well as good working time to Ambassador Isa. Eritrean community in Qatar held its 8th Congress on 28 October under the theme Community for All. At the Congress, in which a number of nationals took part, Mr. Ali Ibrahim, Eritrea's ambassador to Qatar, explaining on the significance of community organization in strengthening unity and attachment with the homeland, as well as in preserving the noble societal values and national identity, commended those that contribute for the realization of the Congress. Ambassador Ali Ibrahim also expressed readiness to stand alongside the community in all their endeavors. The participants, on their part, conducted extensive discussion on the report represented by the outgoing Executive Committee and elected 11 members' new Executive Committee. You are watching ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. At least 153 people, mostly women and young people in their 20s, have been killed in a chaotic stampede in South Korea's capital, Seoul, after a huge crowd thronged a narrow street during Halloween celebration. Another 133 were hurt, 37 seriously, in the crowd crush that took place in the entertainment district of Itaewon last night. The incident happened at about 10 p.m. local time when a large number of people flooded a narrow alley near the Hamilton Hotel, the Yonhap News Agency reported, citing witnesses. The high number of casualties was the result of many being trampled during the Halloween event, fire officials told reporters at the scene today, adding the death toll could climb. Many of the victims were women and young people in their 20s. 19 foreigners were also killed. They included people from Iran, Uzbekistan, China, and Norway. As of today, officials put the death toll at 153 and the number of injured people at 133. The Ministry of the Interior and Safety said the death count could further rise as 37 of the injured people were in serious condition. Witnesses described chaotic scene moments before the stampede, with the police on hand in anticipation of the Halloween event, at times having trouble maintaining control of the crowds. Some were trapped for more than an hour before being pulled from the crush of people in the alley. Russia has suspended its participation in a landmark agreement that allowed vital grain exports from Ukraine after what said was a drone attack on Russia's ship in occupied Crimea. Russia's defense ministry said Ukraine attacked the Black Sea Fleet near Sevastopol in the annexed Crimea Peninsula with 16 drones in early yesterday, and that British Navy specialists had helped coordinate the attack. London bluntly rejected Moscow's claim that Turkey and UN brokered deal to unlock grain exports signed between Russia and Ukraine in July is critical to easing the global food crisis caused by the conflict. The agreement has already allowed more than 9 million tons of Ukrainian grain to be exported and was due to be renewed on November 19. The Defense Ministry said in a statement that the Russian side suspended participation in the implementation of the agreement on the export of agricultural products from Ukrainian ports. Russia said the step, which will cut Ukrainian grain exports from its crucial Black Sea ports, was taken due to the drone attack and the participation of British specialists. Sevastopol, which has been targeted several times in the recent months, serves as the headquarters for the fleet and a logistic hub for operation in Ukraine. And now we have a quick review of the top stories. Ambassador Isa Ahmed Isa presents credentials. Congress of Eritrean Community in Qatar. At least 153 killed in Halloween crowd crash in South Korea. Russia halts participation in Ukraine grain agreement. That was all with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us.